Because of the higher static voltage of a lithium battery over a lead-based battery, you won't get the typical indicators of dimming lights and things like that to let you know that the battery is discharged. You can look at your voltmeters, any voltage under 12.5. You can look at your inverter charger panel, which will start with an 0.5 low battery warning, which will then transition to an 0.1 low battery fault, and that comes with a beep. And then the inverter will turn itself off when the battery voltage gets too low. If the battery continues to discharge, it will take advantage of its reserve capacity and turn itself off. You can charge the batteries by starting your engine, plugging into shore, or allowing solar to charge, which will wake up the batteries on their own. If you need to run the generator, simply push the button on the battery so that you can use that reserve capacity to start your generator, and then that'll charge the batteries as well.